Hello students, welcome to your EVS class. Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So children, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Food We Eat, which is in your book 4. Now let's discuss the chapter. So children, now all of you take out page number 2. Here you see, in the beginning of the chapter, there is an exercise and the question is, guess the name of the fruit. Now children, here you see some picture of fruits along with its description are given. Now we have to identify, then write the name of that fruit. Okay, here the first one is, I am the king of fruits. You can eat me sliced or drink my juice. Second one is, I am red, sweet and juicy. If you eat me, you stay healthy. And the last one is, I am green from outside but red from inside. I am a summer delight. Now students, here first one is, I am mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. The second one is apple, that is A-P-P-L-E, apple. And the last one is watermelon, that is W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Okay? So students, now let's discuss the chapter. Here the first point is, why do we eat food? Students, we eat food to live. Without having food, we cannot survive. Okay? Food gives us energy to work and play. It makes us strong and healthy. It helps us grow and protect us from diseases. Children, food gives us the energy to do our work like playing, reading, dancing, etc. Food helps us to grow up and it makes us strong and healthy. It also protects us from different kinds of diseases. Now students, let's move to the next page. Now children, here our second topic is water. Water is very important in our day-to-day life. And children, you know what? Your body also contains 75% of water. Okay? Now see, in addition to food, our body also needs water. We cannot live without water for long. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. So children, water helps us to digest our food and regulates our body temperature also. So after having our food, we used to drink water. Without having water, we cannot live for long. So students, every day we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. Now see children, there is an exercise and the question is, take the correct word and make pairs. So students, now what we have to do? Yes, we have to put the tick on the correct option. Okay. See, number 1 is food, eat. So water will be drink or cook. Yes, the correct option is drink. Okay. Number 2 is apple, red. So banana is blue or yellow? Yes, the answer is yellow. And the last one is spinach, green. So carrot, white or red? Yes, the answer is red. So children, now let's discuss about meals in a day. We should eat food at fixed times every day. The food eaten at a particular time of a day is called a meal. Each meal has a special name. We have 3 main meals in a day. They are breakfast, lunch and dinner. So children, we eat our food at a fixed time every day, isn't it? And the food eaten at a particular time of a day is called our meal. Each meal has a special name. There are mainly 3 meals in a day. They are breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now, let's discuss about the first one, that is breakfast. We eat breakfast in the morning. It gives us energy to start the day. So children, while we come to the school in the morning, we used to have our breakfast, isn't it? Because it gives us energy to start our day. A healthy breakfast may include bread or cornflakes, butter or cheese spread, eggs for those who eat eggs, milk and fruits. So children, a healthy breakfast always include bread or cornflakes, butter or cheese, eggs, those who love to eat eggs, then milk and fruits. Now see students, all of you look at this picture. Here you see, Abni eats her breakfast every day before going to school. One girl is there, her name is Abni, and she used to have her breakfast every day before going to the school. Like you all, Abni also used to have her breakfast before going to the school. Now, the second one is lunch. We eat lunch in the middle of the day. It gives us energy for the rest of the day. So children, lunch is the second meal of the day after our breakfast. We get energy after having our lunch for the rest of the day. A healthy lunch may include roti and rice, sabji, dal, curd and salad. So children, a healthy lunch always include roti and rice, dal, sabji, curd and salad. Okay? Now children, all of you look at this picture. Here, Abni eats her lunch after coming back from the school. So students, like you all, Abni also used to eat her lunch after coming back from the school. So children, now let's discuss the last meal of the day, that is dinner. We eat dinner in the night. It is the last meal to fulfill our daily energy needs. So children, dinner is the main meal of the day, which is taken in the night, and it fulfills our daily energy needs. Okay? A healthy dinner may include roti and rice, dal, sabji, salad, meat, fish or eggs for those who eat these items. So students, a healthy dinner always include roti and rice, dal, sabji, salad and meat, fish or eggs for those who eat these items. Understood all of you? Now children, look at this picture. Here, every night Abni and her family eat dinner together at home. So children, Abni and her family every day used to have their dinner together at night. Now let's move to the next page. So children, now let's discuss about some good food habits. Here, first one is wash your hands before and after every meal. So children, we should wash our hands with soap or hand wash before and after every meal. Okay. Second one is eat healthy food and avoid junk food. So children, we should avoid the junk food. For example, ice cream, cake, pizza, burger, etc. And we should always eat the healthy food. For example, roti, sabji, dal, salad, curd, etc. Okay. And the third one is chew your food well before swallowing. Understood all of you? Here, what we have to do? We have to chew our food before swallowing. Okay? And the last one is have each meal at the right time every day. So children, we should have our meal at the right time every day. Now students, let's discuss our book exercise. Now students, all of you take out page number 5. Here you see our first question is question number A, that is fill in the blanks. Here number 1 is we eat food or air. The correct answer is food. Second one is food makes us weak or strong. Yes, food makes us strong. Question number 3 is we cannot live for long without water or milk. And the answer is water. Fourth one is breakfast or dinner gives us the energy to start the day. And the answer is breakfast. And the last question is we should or should not wash our hands before meals. And the correct answer is should. Now children, let's move to the next page. Now question number B is write yes or no. Here number 1 is we eat dinner in the morning. No, we eat dinner at night. So the answer is no. Question number 2 is we need food and water to live. And the answer is yes. Third one is we should eat junk food daily. No, we should not eat junk food daily. So the answer is no. Question number 4 is the food eaten at a particular time of a day is called a meal. The answer is yes. And the last question is we should not eat food at fixed times every day. The answer is no. Now question number C is at what time do you have these meals? Write the time on the blanks under each picture. So children, now we have to write the time on the blanks under the pictures. Okay? Here you see first one is breakfast, that is 7:30 a.m. Second one is lunch, that is 2 p.m. And last one is dinner, that is 9 p.m. Okay? Now the last question of the chapter is question number D. List any 5 food items that you like to have in your breakfast. And the answer is number 1 bread, second one is butter, third one is egg, fourth one is milk, and the last one is fruit. Understood all of you? Now children, you have to read the chapter Food We Eat properly, and then you have to learn the book exercise given in your assignment. Thank you.